Aloha, welcome to KTA Kitchens. This is Chef Maka and today we're going to do the Green Destiny. Yes, it's a kale drink made with a bunch of apples, oranges, lemons, cucumber, celery, carrots in there, ginger, garlic, and of course, you can't forget the kale. It's good stuff, all right? And also, you're going to need a juicer. If you ain't got a juicer, get a blender. If you don't got a blender, get a juicer. All right, here we go. Let's start it up. And everything is this juice. That's it. This juice, done. Okay, here we go. Kale in there. Kale. Stems too, but make sure you wash them out good. Okay. Plunger. Throw some apples in there. Cucumbers, orange, more kale, piece of garlic, piece of ginger. Ginger is good for your ligaments. That's some good juice. Well, anyways, I don't know if you guys know what I'm about to tell you, but I've taken the peel off the lemons and the oranges. Don't peel them with the rind. I did that before, and it's terrible. So cut them out, okay? Now here we're done. I know the recipe calls for this, you know, 1 orange, 1 lemon, but I had all these vegetables, and I got all these guys I gotta give drinks to that's filming. So, here we go. And I'm gonna scrape a little bit of the foam off the top. Okay? Give it a nice mix. Put it in a nice glass. Isn't that green? Destiny. Taste it. That's some good stuff. Really good. Hey, Chef Maka KTA Kitchens. You want this recipe? Go to ktasuperstores.com/recipes. See you guys later. Green Destiny.